Have you ever gotten to the end of the month and wondered where all your money went? It's a frustrating feeling, like your hard-earned cash just vanished into thin air. You worked too hard for that. It's time to stop wondering and start telling your money what to do. There's a powerful, straightforward method that puts you back in the driver's seat of your financial life. It's called zero-based budgeting. This is not some complex accounting trick for big corporations. It's a simple, practical plan for everyday people. It's time for you to be in control. Give every single dollar you earn a specific job before the month begins. Think of yourself as the boss and your dollars as your employees. You wouldn't let your employees just wander around, would you? Assign tasks and responsibilities. Zero-based means you plan until income minus expenses equals zero. This proactive approach forces you to be intentional with your finances. Instead of looking back at your bank statement in shock, you look forward with a clear plan. Decide ahead how much goes to housing, food, paying off debt, and even a little fun. It's not restricting. It's empowering. Create a roadmap that aligns with your goals. Getting out of debt. Saving for a down payment. Taking that vacation you've been dreaming about. It's the difference between drifting at sea and steering your ship toward your destination. When you tell every dollar where to go, you build the future you want. Getting started with a zero-based budget is easier than you think. You don't need a degree in finance, just a willingness to take charge. First, figure out your total monthly income. List every dollar you expect to bring in for the month. Include your paycheck after taxes, any side hustle, income, and other reliable income. If your income varies, budget using the lowest amount you expect. This number is your starting line. Next, list all expenses. Start with the four walls: food, utilities, shelter, transportation. These are the absolute necessities. Then add other bills, debt payments, insurance premiums, childcare. Be thorough. Look at recent bank statements. Get proactive about goals. Add savings, investing, and giving. Don't forget to budget for some fun. Let's make this real. Meet the Jacksons. With a total take-home pay of $4,000 per month, they felt the squeeze and sit down before the month starts to create their first zero-based budget. They'll give each of those dollars a specific purpose. Mortgage, $1,200. Groceries, $600. Electricity, water, natural gas, $250. Transportation and routine maintenance, $300. That's $2,350 to their most critical needs. Other commitments: car payment $350, credit card $200, cell phones $120, internet $80, planning for the future and reflecting values, $300 to emergency fund, $100 to giving, $900 left, $200 fun, $150 clothing, $100 household, $200 personal, and $250 extra to the credit card. Income $4,000 minus expenses, $4,000 equals zero. Every dollar has a mission. Zero-based budgeting shines a bright light into every corner of your finances. It eliminates guesswork and mindless spending. With a plan, you stop being a victim of circumstances and become the architect of your financial future. You gain control and clarity, which reduces financial stress and fights with your spouse. You'll find hidden money that was leaking on small, thoughtless purchases. Aim that cash at your biggest goals. Pay off debt faster and build savings like never before. Common mistake: forgetting irregular expenses, car repairs, annual subscriptions, holiday gifts. Create sinking funds and budget small amounts each month. Another mistake: being too restrictive. Budget for fun, hobbies, dining out, entertainment. Spend with intention and without guilt. Finally, don't set it and forget it. Each month, adjust for income changes, rising bills, and new priorities. That's normal. Stay flexible and intentional. Sit down before each month, tell new dollars where to go, and keep the plan true to your reality. You've seen how a zero-based budget works. It's not magic, it's intentionality, a proven plan that moves people from broke and stress to control and peace. It works for single people, big families, high earners, and beginners. Universal principles, common sense. You work hard for your money. Now, let your money work hard for you. Not about perfection day one. Your first budget won't be flawless. You might forget a category or misjudge groceries. Give yourself grace. Keep going. Each month you'll get better. Learn your spending habits. Become more accurate. Progress, not perfection. Every dollar assigned is a step forward. Every month you stick to the plan builds momentum. Freedom is the goal. Options, not just balances. Respond to emergencies without debt. Be generous. Change careers. Travel. Retire with dignity. It starts with one habit. A monthly, written, zero-based budget. You are in charge. You decide your priorities. You tell your money what to do. So, what are you waiting for? Take action right now. List income, list expenses, give every dollar a job, make it equal zero.